Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things cleaning and organizing. Today's topic is how to remove those difficult carpet stains and how to make an all-natural stain remover that's up for the task. But first, let's talk about some do's and don'ts when it comes to carpet stain removal. When an accident happens, act quickly to ensure spills and stains don't set or spread. Working from the stain's outer edge toward the middle will help to keep it from spreading. Scrape up any solid bits. If the spill has dried, vacuum the area before applying a stain remover. Blot spills with a clean white towel to absorb as much of the staining material as possible. Never scrub the carpet surface or pour liquid directly onto the area. Both could actually spread the stain. Lightly spray the area with your natural carpet stain remover and blot with a dampened towel, working from the stain's outer edges toward the center, which also prevents spreading. Next, rinse the area with water to remove residue. Sticky residue attracts dirt, which can restain your carpet. Don't let the cleaned area simply air dry, which can result in noticeable rings. Drawing out remaining moisture by placing several layers of white towels over the treated area is recommended. Always use white towels or cloths for blotting stains. Colored towels could transfer color onto the carpet in addition to the stain. Also, you can tell if you are removing the stain as it will show on the white towel or cloth. Weigh the towels down with a heavy object that won't transfer color, such as a plastic jug of water or a glass casserole filled with heavy items. Let it sit overnight before removing the towels. Vacuum or hand brush the cleaned area. For a quick lift of fresh spills and older stains, keep a handheld carpet cleaner at hand. The electric cleaners inject water or a cleaning solution into the stain, then suck the dirty solution back into the machine. Now, we've got 12 different chemical-free solutions, and each one is made with ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Let's get right down to it. The first solution is alcohol. Treat oily carpet stains with rubbing alcohol or vodka. Either one will break down oils and grease. Fill a spray bottle with rubbing alcohol or vodka and spray the stained area. Let the alcohol sit for a few minutes, then gently rub a bar of natural soap into the stain. Blot the area with a damp white cloth until the soap is gone. Let the area dry and repeat blotting until the stain is removed. Use a water-dampened towel to remove soapy residue. The second solution is baking soda. Oily or greasy carpet stains can be removed with properly applied sprinkles of baking soda. Let the baking soda sit for at least 6 hours, then vacuum. Remove any residue with a white cloth moistened with rubbing alcohol. Solution number 3 is borax powder. This method is recommended for cleaning drink spills, removing pet stains, and neutralizing odors. First, blot the wet spills with a clean cloth. Spray the spot with ice water and sprinkle on borax powder. Blot the stain with a white cloth until it's gone. Or simply pat borax into the water-moistened area. Let it dry in place and vacuum it up once the area has dried. Club soda is our fourth stain removal miracle. Fill a spray bottle with club soda to use as a natural carpet stain remover. Blot up the spill, then lightly spray the stained area with club soda. Dab the entire area with a clean white cloth. Continue to spray and blot until the stain has disappeared. Number 5 is cornstarch. Get a handle on large liquid spills by applying cornstarch as soon as they happen. Blot up the excess liquid, then spread cornstarch across the stain. Once the cornstarch has absorbed the liquid, scrape up the powder and vacuum the area. If the stain remains, spray the area with club soda and blot with a clean white towel until the stain is gone. Hydrogen peroxide and dish soap make up solution number 6. Spilled tea, coffee, cola drinks, fruit juice, wine, and washable ink can all leave tannin stains, but can be banished with a solution that you can blend as needed. After you've blotted up the spill, mix 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Apply the solution to the stained area. Let it sit for a few seconds before gently working it in with your fingers. Rinse the area with water, blot, and repeat until the stains and residue are gone. Make this simple stain remover only as needed. Hydrogen peroxide loses its effectiveness when it is exposed to light, hence the brown bottle. So making a little bit as needed is the best and most cost-effective way to go. Number 7 is hydrogen peroxide and steam. Pour some hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and grab a steam iron to remove older wine, blood, and urine stains. Spray hydrogen peroxide on the stains, then cover them with a damp white towel. Place a steam iron on the lowest steam setting on top of the towel. Make sure the iron doesn't touch the carpet. Take care not to inhale the steam. Iron the towel for 10 to 15 seconds. Check the back of the towel. You should see some transfer of the stain from the carpet to the towel. Repeat until all or almost all of the stain has disappeared. Lightly spray the stain again with hydrogen peroxide. Place a clean, dry towel over the stain and weigh it down with something heavy, like a bag of potatoes. Allow the area to dry overnight. Ice cubes are number 8 magic solution. The freezing method makes it easy to remove wads of gum and melted wax from your carpet. First, peel or gently scrape off as much gum or wax as you can. Then harden the remaining gum or wax by placing a plastic bag filled with ice atop the offending materials. Once the surface hardens, shatter and chip away the remainder using a spoon or a scraper, then vacuum. If oily residue persists, blot the stain with a white cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol until the residue disappears. Solution number 9 is salt, vinegar, and borax. Make a paste of 1/4 cup table salt, 1/4 cup white vinegar, and 1/4 cup borax powder to remove protein-based stains. Apply the paste to stains such as blood, bodily fluids, dairy products, baby formula, baby food, and eggs. Let the stained area dry for 24 hours before vacuuming. In addition to removing the stains, the mix kills bacteria and acts as a deodorizer. Once the area has been vacuumed, clean it with water to remove residue and blot well with a clean, dry cloth. Our 10th solution is simply water. You can't beat water when it comes to naturally dissolving stains from carpets. Employ it as your first and best option when washing out carpet stains. Absorb as much of the stain as possible with white towels. Blot with water-dampened white cloths until the stain is gone. White vinegar is number 11. To remove carpet stains with vinegar, blend 1 part distilled white vinegar with 2 parts water in a spray bottle. Use the spray to remove pet urine and rust stains. After absorbing any moisture with a clean white cloth, lightly spray the stained area with the vinegar mixture. Blot with a white cloth until the stain is gone. You can also use white vinegar to keep freshly cleaned carpets stain-free longer. Commercial carpet shampoos leave sticky residues that trap incoming dirt to create dirty globs that can't be removed with a vacuum. To avoid this problem, fill your carpet cleaner with a mixture of 1/2 cup white vinegar to 1 gallon hot water. The vinegar will reactivate the shampoo already in the carpet and extract the shampoo and dirt. Finish off by filling your carpet cleaner with plain water to remove the remaining vinegar for soft, deodorized carpet. Solution number 12. White wine or vodka. You've just spilled red wine on your carpet? Immediately blot the spill with a clean white towel and treat the stain with white wine or vodka. Blot the stain with a white towel and repeat until the stain is gone. This only works if it is the first method you try. Otherwise, go to Plan B. Treat the stain by blotting with hydrogen peroxide. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Click here for other valuable stain removal tips. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.